Consider the possibility of making money just by reading on the internet. Yes, you could easily earn between $50 and $1,000 per hour just by reading and speaking in public. Yes, it is possible to make this much money in 1 hour. This approach is completely free and quite successful, and you may use it in any country. Continue watching this video because it will teach you all you need to know to get started on this, including all relevant information to understand how easy it is. The methods I'll demonstrate in today's video will allow you to earn anywhere from $50 to $1,000. All it takes is a little reading. This will be a straightforward method of making money online. I'll demonstrate how to use the most effective platforms available to generate money rapidly. If you're interested, stay connected and watch the video through to the finish. Before we begin, welcome to Official Money Pill, where I show you how to make money online step by step. Please subscribe to this channel and remember to click on the notification bell so that you will be notified every time I release a new video on how to make money online, and you can take action. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. If you have any questions or concerns, leave some comments below. With everything just set, let's dive straight into the lesson itself. We may now get compensated for reading books, and new options are developing that enable us to use our time constructively while making money. Reading books is an excellent method to learn new things and increase your knowledge on a wide range of topics in today's world. When I was younger, I read a lot, just like most people. Eventually, life progressed, and it became necessary for me to mature and devote the majority of my time to my job, kids, and maintaining the household. And don't worry, I'll go through everything with you first to understand how unique it is and how it can be used to create money before you decide. It is a free network that links voice narrators with writers interested in having their works turned into audiobooks. This website is completely free to use, and you do not need to be an expert to participate. Here, I'll share some of my suggestions for working from home as a voiceover artist. This platform is one of the most successful markets for literary agencies, writers, and publishers to connect with engineers, narrators, and recording facilities to make a finished audiobook owned by Amazon and Audible. This website matches narrators with book and author publishers by offering them the opportunity to submit auditions for open audiobook projects that are currently available. The greatest part is that there is no formal application procedure, and the whole process is entirely free. In addition, once you register with the website, you may begin receiving payment for the work you do on the site right away. However, the most often asked question among newcomers is how much money the narrators of this website earn. To know that, keep watching to the conclusion of this video to see how I respond to the issue and others that are regularly asked on this platform. How much money can I make with this website as a beginner with no previous experience? As a newcomer, you should know that today's website does not function as a get-rich-fast scheme. Utilizing this platform needs perseverance and effort to see results and achieve success. However, for the time being, obtaining assignments for this website is not nearly as difficult as you may think it is. As a result, if you are looking for a fantastic approach to generate additional revenue from the comfort of your own home, this website should be the most refined platform for you. The only key is to understand how to record audiobooks in the most effective manner possible. However, it is strongly advised that you should not go full-time until you have gained valuable expertise and optimized your workflow process. If you guys enjoy this video, please like and share it with your friends. You can also subscribe to the channel by clicking on the red subscribe button and leaving a comment in the section below. Thanks in advance if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to the channel. Turn on the notification bell, and if you left a comment down below. It's time to go back to work and start earning money. You may expect to earn the highest possible earnings since you will have the expertise and develop into a seasoned narrator. There are a variety of elements that influence your ability to make money on this site. These include pay rate, your previous narrating experience, length of the audiobook, and platform used to produce the audiobook. You may expect to earn between $10 to $100 PFH every completed hour as a beginner. On the other hand, an expert narrator may make anywhere from $100 to $300 per hour. Most of the time, PFH is set by the narrator's pay rate for each finished audiobook. In other cases, PFH is a one-time flat rate payment for an entire audiobook though. Now it's time to split the royalties. A 50-50 split of royalties is made with the rights holder or the author in this situation. Additionally, this royalty share plus a mix of PFH and royalty share is also included. The majority of these sites' narrators take use of the royalty share. This implies that you will get 50% of any revenue generated by audiobook sales on Amazon, Audible, and iTunes, among other platforms. For example, if an author receives $10 $10 for every book sold, you will earn $5 for every audiobook sold, a 50% profit. This is unquestionably a good offer regarding the royalties if the book is a successful publication. Let us say my share is $6 for each book, and the book sells around 100 copies per month. This one book has the potential to make up to $600 each month. Although this is a hypothetical situation, it does not rule out the possibility of achieving it. By now, you should be able to see how recording many royalty share audiobooks may mount up over a year. However, not every book that has been registered as a royalty share is sure to sell exceptionally well. Some books may do worse or better than others based on Amazon sales ranks, reviews, and the other promotional efforts, among other factors. If you are looking for an ideal approach to generating passive money, recording royalty sharing audiobooks will be the most critical choice. As your expertise grows and you gain more credibility, you will earn more money through a royalty sharing audiobooks rather than receiving a one-time payment from the publisher. For this reason, the majority of narrators on these platforms choose to blend per completed hour projects with royalty sharing opportunities. With PFH, you will have a chance to start earning money right immediately. On the other hand, royalty sharing will guarantee that you get compensated. This implies that even if you decide to stop recording audiobooks in the future, you will continue to earn revenue from the company. This is because a royalty share plus is the most advantageous payment, in contrast to a royalty share. Royalty share plus enables authors to pay a small fee to narrators to offset production expenses, proofreading, editing, and mastering charges, among other things. Usually, the author and narrator agree on the small upfront costs. Once the audiobook is out, you will earn a 20% royalty as the narrator, and the author will also receive a 20% royalty. It is the fact that when the author does not have the funds to utilize the production program, you as a narrator will be paid a smaller amount at the time of the narration that distinguishes this program from others. Additionally, you will access the bounty program as the platform's narrator, and if either the author or you as the narrator bring in new Audible members, you will get a $25 bonus. Currently, there are approximately 1,300 books posted on this website that are available for narrators to narrate. New titles are being uploaded to the platform daily. As a result, there is no scarcity of work, and to get started, here are the materials you will need. Make a list of all the equipment you'll need, establish a free narrator profile on ACX website, and set up a quiet location in your house for recording. Closets are often regarded as the most effective location for recording. Create around 1 to 3 audio samples, which subsequently be uploaded to your profile. To create audio samples, Audacity is an excellent website. The greatest thing is that it is free. These samples will help you create a profile that is attractive and professional. It would be best if you also began auditioning for the books that are now accessible. It would help if you considered doing this until you get your first job on the platform. Before you get started, you'll need to invest in high-quality equipment that will allow you to record some excellent audiobooks. These instruments include a professional-grade microphone of excellent quality. The condenser microphone is the most often suggested, and a pop filter is also advised. It is pretty necessary to use this tool to avoid too much air from going into the microphone, which will result in the popping sound, often known as plosives. In addition, a microphone is required. For audiobook recording, stability and flexibility are essential since they enable you to move the microphone around in a comfortable position for a lengthy amount of time. A set of studio monitor headphones worn over your ears is great for recording audiobooks in the studio when it comes to headphones. An editing recording software program will also be required to record and edit your recordings, which will aid you in creating great audition samples and audiobook chapters. Okay, so we're nearly through, but before we wrap up this lesson, I want you to be aware that to utilize this platform, you must reside in one of the following countries: the United States, the United Kingdom, Ireland, or Canada. As a narrator, I want to say it is important to note that the profits on ACX vary substantially and that it often relies on the kind of platform you sell when selecting which platform to work with. If you intend on recording audiobooks on ACX, yep, that is the name of today's platform, and you can find it at acx.com. I hope you have found this video to be of use. Okay, so that brings us to the end of today's session. If you got to the end of this video, just know that you'll start earning money right now if you decide to take the next step. Please stand up and start doing what I demonstrated in this YouTube video. This marks the conclusion of the video. If you could get it to the finish, please know that I would appreciate it. Thank you so much for taking the time to visit with us. So there you have it, folks. Did you like today's video? Let us know in the comments below. With this, we're gonna wrap up this video. If you're enjoying it, please hit the like button and subscribe for more incredible videos. Until then, take action, make that money, and take care.